So these are the newest codes that you can use in Brainrot Evolution. These will give you wins and so much more in the game. So I have here a list of the codes that will give us everything we need in order to win. So there are 5 codes in total, starting with Tralalero. This will give us 3 experience potions, which is actually really good. You can use these potions in order to get more levels and basically be faster. Easter will give you 1 EXP potion, which is pretty good as well. I2 Perfect 1 will give you 2, which is nice. Lol Game 1 will give you 2 more. And finally, Release will give you 1 win potion, which is pretty good. This will give you a win and might also give you more chances of winning and might multiply your wins. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.